Welcome back to Motor Future. The 2026 Honda CB350 Super Sport Neo has officially arrived, and it's making waves in the mid-capacity retro-modern motorcycle segment. If you're a fan of timeless aesthetics fused with cutting-edge engineering, this bike demands your attention. Honda has taken everything we loved about the classic CB series and injected it with a potent mix of modern performance, aggressive styling, and high-end features that make this machine a standout in its category. In this video, we'll break down what makes the 2026 CB350 Super Sport Neo such a compelling offering in the modern retro market. From the moment you lay eyes on the CB350 Super Sport Neo, it's clear that this isn't just a nostalgia-driven motorcycle, it's a bold reinterpretation of Honda's heritage. The design is sharp, muscular, and undeniably sporty. A neo-retro round LED headlamp with integrated DRLs, sculpted tank with aerodynamic side panels, blacked-out engine casings, and minimal bodywork all contribute to its aggressive yet refined look. It's classic Honda DNA reimagined for the urban jungle and weekend escapes alike. Powering this machine is a 348.3 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that's now tuned for better top-end performance and quicker throttle response. With approximately 25 horsepower and 28 Nm of torque, the CB350 Super Sport Neo is more than capable of providing a spirited ride, especially in the city and on twisty backroads. The updated PGMFI system ensures optimal fuel delivery and efficiency, while the 5-speed gearbox provides crisp shifts and balanced gear ratios ideal for daily use and light touring. Honda has also optimized the engine mounts and intake system to reduce vibrations at higher RPMs, delivering a smoother, more connected riding experience. But performance isn't just about the engine. Honda has equipped the CB350 Super Sport Neo with a lightweight double cradle frame that enhances agility and control, particularly during cornering. The telescopic front forks and dual rear shock absorbers have been revised for improved damping characteristics, ensuring a planted and confident ride even on uneven surfaces. The bike now rides on wider 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped in grippy tubeless tires, enhancing stability and traction. Braking duties are handled by a 310mm front disc and a 240mm rear disc, supported by dual-channel ABS as standard. The brake feel is precise and confidence-inspiring, making emergency stops and spirited riding feel secure. Honda has also included traction control, a rare feature in this class, which helps keep the rear wheel in check during slippery conditions or aggressive throttle inputs. One of the biggest highlights of the CB350 Super Sport Neo is its tech package. The fully digital LCD instrument console is compact but packed with information: gear position indicator, real-time mileage, trip meters, and Bluetooth connectivity for turn-by-turn navigation and call alerts via the Honda RoadSync app. A USB-C charging port has been integrated discreetly under the seat, perfect for keeping your phone charged on the go. Honda has also added a riding mode selector with 2 modes, Urban and Sport. Urban mode softens the throttle response for relaxed riding in traffic, while Sport unleashes the bike's full potential for dynamic riding. Ergonomics have also been carefully engineered for versatility. The seating position is slightly leaned forward for a sporty feel, yet not overly aggressive, perfect for both short commutes and longer rides. The split seat setup provides decent cushioning and support, while the slightly rear-set foot pegs give riders a more engaged posture. The clip-on style handlebars are raised just enough to maintain comfort without sacrificing sportiness. Fuel economy is respectable for a bike in this class, with Honda claiming around 35 to 40 km/L under mixed riding conditions. Combined with a 15-liter fuel tank, the CB350 Super Sport Neo offers a practical range of over 500 kilometers, making it suitable for weekend getaways without frequent fuel stops. When it comes to pricing, Honda has strategically placed the CB350 Super Sport Neo in a very competitive slot. The expected ex-showroom price is around 2.45 Indian rupees lakh in India, or approximately $3,000 in global markets, putting it slightly above the standard CB350 but well below larger twin-cylinder alternatives. For what it offers in terms of performance, design, and tech, this is a seriously value-packed offering. Let's talk about what makes this bike truly unique. Unlike many bikes in the retro classic category that merely replicate vintage looks, the CB350 Super Sport Neo is unapologetically forward-looking. It retains subtle retro cues but embraces a futuristic design language. Honda's attention to detail, from the high-quality switchgear to the precision in panel fit and finish, is impeccable. The bike also features a slipper clutch for smoother downshifts and reduced fatigue during spirited rides, which is rare in this displacement category. For enthusiasts looking to personalize their ride, Honda has launched a dedicated accessories line for the CB350 Super Sport Neo. From bar-end mirrors and tank pads to performance exhaust options and LED auxiliary lights, there are numerous customization possibilities that enhance both aesthetics and functionality. To sum it all up, the 2026 Honda CB350 Super Sport Neo is not just another motorcycle in Honda's lineup, it's a statement. It embodies the perfect blend of style, substance, and innovation. It's sporty enough to thrill experienced riders, friendly enough for beginners, and stylish enough to turn heads wherever you go. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter with flair or a weekend machine with character, this bike fits the bill. Honda has clearly listened to its customers and responded with a machine that delivers not only on performance and tech but also on emotional appeal. It's a bike that respects its roots while boldly carving its own path in the modern world. The 2026 CB350 Super Sport Neo might just be the best thing to happen to the mid-capacity segment in years. So, if you're in the market for a versatile, head-turning, and well-rounded motorcycle with a legendary badge and modern character, the CB350 Super Sport Neo deserves a serious test ride. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Future for more detailed bike reviews and two-wheeled content. Let us know in the comments. Would you choose this over the Royal Enfield Hunter, TVS Ronin, or the Yamaha R15-based XSR 155? Until next time, ride safe and stay curious.